Have you ever dealt with fines or lawsuits? Do you know how to reduce the risk of such problems? You must monitor all driver violations. The motor vehicle record will help you with this. So hi, this is Truck Dispatch and Training, and today we're going to speak about it. What is the MVR? The motor vehicle record is a driving or vehicle report with driving history from a state's Department of Motor Vehicles. Records include a list of all accidents, violation of traffic rules, driving under the influence convictions, the number, type, and status of the license, active, suspended, cancelled, or reduced, license class, license issue and expiration date, restriction, air brakes, manual transmission, deviation from the norm for medical reasons, endorsements, suspensions, and even unpaid parking tickets and, in some states, unpaid child support. Why is an MVR important? Your company should consider MVR monitoring because you likely have more people driving on behalf of your company than you realize. And whether they drive a company vehicle or their own, if they go out and conduct business for your company, this creates liability and puts your company at risk. MVR monitoring can help mitigate this risk. Who needs MVR? For owners of a company who have employees driving on behalf of their company, MVR reports are a good way to identify candidates or employees with unsafe driving records. If you want to employ a new driver, the purpose of an MVR report will help to understand that the applicant employee can be considered a safe driver. Typically, drivers who have multiple violations more involved in future accidents. If you don't monitor MVR reports, you have to start doing this. Suppose that suddenly someone would drive with a suspended license on behalf of your company and they get in an accident involving injuries or fatalities. You will deal with lawsuit and brand damage. Where can you check the MVR report? You should know that companies that are regulated by the Department of Transportation, DOT, have to request MVRs on their drivers every year to be sure employees and contract drivers have a current license and clean driving record. Also, MVR background checks must come from the state's Department of Motor Vehicles or an equivalent agency. When can you request MVR reports? You can have an MVR report when you gather this information: the individual's full name as it appears on their driver's license and driver's license number, the state where the license was issued. You can also request an MVR report online. How long do violations remain on the driving record? Violations like speeding tickets usually you can find within 3-5 years. More serious events like at-fault accidents or DUI convictions may remain on your record for significantly longer. Depends on how long your state keeps certain violation on its motor vehicle records. Do you want to know more about logistic business? We have a checklist with all the instructions about the logistic business. It will help you to run your business successfully and be sure you won't be put out of service. In the first part of the checklist, you can read how to grow your company. There is info about the BOC3, UCR, and CO authority. Next, we'll tell you which load boards are more profitable and useful, what is IFTA, and what paperwork you need. After that, we have all the information about drivers. What is IRP, which ELD is the most popular, and so on. Of course, you should know about different types of equipment and which will be more profitable. Finally, there you can find information about all types of inspections and what you will need for them. I hope this video was helpful for you. Next video will be about pre-trip inspection. It is also the right thing which can help you save your money. So in order not to miss this video, subscribe to our channel.